Have you ever wondered how billionaires like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and Mark Zuckerberg made their first $1 million? This, my friends, is the $1 million question. A question that has sparked curiosity, ignited dreams, and driven countless people to pursue their own path to financial success. It's a question that invites us to delve into the minds of these extraordinary individuals, to unravel their strategies, and to learn from their experiences. Let's take a moment to introduce these titans of industry. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation and futuristic technology. He is the mastermind behind trailblazing companies like SpaceX and Tesla, which have revolutionized their respective industries and set the bar for what's possible. Musk's journey to his first million was not a smooth ride, but his relentless pursuit of innovation and disruptive ideas set him on the path to become a multi-billionaire. Next up, we have Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, a man who turned his initial investment into a multi-billion-dollar empire by following a simple yet powerful investment strategy. Buffett's approach to making his first million was built on the principles of value investing, patience, and a deep understanding of the financial markets. And then we have Mark Zuckerberg, the creator of the social networking giant, Facebook. Zuckerberg's journey to his first million was a blend of technological expertise, a groundbreaking idea, and the courage to drop out of Harvard to pursue his vision. Today, he stands tall as one of the youngest billionaires in the world. These three individuals, with their diverse backgrounds and unique approaches, all reached the coveted $1 million mark and went far beyond. But how exactly did they do it? What strategies did they employ? What obstacles did they overcome? And most importantly, what can we learn from their journeys? Let's unravel the secrets of their first million. Elon Musk, an innovator unlike any other, made his first $1 million in a way that reflects his forward-thinking mindset. In the mid-90s, when the internet was still in its infancy, Musk saw an opportunity. He realized that the World Wide Web could transform the way we live, work, and play, and he wanted to be part of that revolution. So, with his brother Kimball, Musk co-founded Zip2, a city guide software for newspapers. It was an ambitious venture that combined the traditional media industry with the burgeoning digital world. At a time when most people were still getting used to the idea of the internet, Musk envisioned a future where newspapers could leverage this new technology to enhance their reach and relevance. Zip2 was more than just a business for Musk. It was a manifestation of his innovative thinking and a testament to his belief in the transformative power of technology. But it wasn't smooth sailing. Musk faced numerous challenges along the way. There were doubts, setbacks, and moments of uncertainty. But Musk, being the consummate risk-taker, persisted. He believed in his vision and was willing to stake everything on it. And his risk-taking paid off. In 1999, Compaq acquired Zip2 for over $300 million. Musk's share from the sale was worth $22 million, his first big payday. But here's the thing about Musk. He didn't just sit on this newly acquired wealth. He reinvested most of it into his next ventures, X.com, which later became PayPal, and then SpaceX and Tesla. Each of these ventures was a reflection of Musk's innovative thinking and his unwavering belief in the potential of technology to solve our biggest problems and improve our lives. Innovation and risk-taking. These are the cornerstones of Musk's journey to his first million and beyond. They are also the traits that have defined his career and continue to drive his success today. And that's how Musk, with his innovation and risk-taking, paved his way to his first million. When it comes to Warren Buffett, his journey to the first million was all about smart investing. Imagine being just a kid with a dream to be rich. That was Warren Buffett. He started out by investing in a Texaco station, a decision that at the time might have seemed risky. But Buffett saw potential. He saw a business that, with a little bit of insight and a lot of patience, could flourish. And flourish it did. This was Buffett's first taste of success. But it was just the beginning. Then Buffett took another leap. He established his own venture, Buffett Partnership Limited. Now, this wasn't just any business. It was an investment partnership, and Buffett was at the helm. He navigated the turbulent waters of the stock market, making choices that were strategic, calculated, and often against the grain. He didn't follow the crowd. He didn't jump on the latest trends. No, Buffett was in it for the long haul. You see, that's the thing about Buffett. He wasn't just an investor, he was a strategic investor. He didn't just throw his money at any opportunity that came his way. He studied, he analyzed, he waited, and when the right opportunity came along, he struck, and it paid off. But let's not forget about patience. Patience was Buffett's secret weapon. He understood that good things come to those who wait, that building wealth wasn't a sprint, it was a marathon, and he was willing to go the distance. He knew that the stock market had its ups and downs, but he didn't let that deter him. He held on, he persevered, he waited, and in the end, his patience paid off. So what can we learn from Warren Buffett's journey to the first million? It's not about quick wins or getting rich overnight. It's about strategic investing. It's about patience. It's about seeing potential where others don't, about taking risks when others won't. It's about having the courage to forge your own path and the patience to see it through. Buffett's strategic investing and patience were his tickets to his first million. Mark Zuckerberg, the creator of the world's biggest social network, earned his first million through sheer creation. A Harvard dropout, Zuckerberg turned a simple dorm room idea into a digital empire. Fueled by a vision of connecting people across the world, he created Facebook, a platform that would forever change the way we communicate. Zuckerberg's journey to his first million wasn't a traditional one. He didn't invest in stocks or real estate. He didn't invent a groundbreaking technology. His currency was creativity. His product was a platform that harnessed the power of the internet to bring people together. Facebook was a game changer. It was a new way for people to connect, share, and express themselves. Zuckerberg's understanding of the digital world, his ability to predict what people wanted before they knew they wanted it, was key to his success. He saw the potential of the internet to create a global community, and he made it happen. Zuckerberg's first million came not from a paycheck, but from the value of his creation. As Facebook grew, so did its worth. Investors flocked to be a part of this new digital revolution, and with every new user, every new connection made, the value of Facebook increased. But it wasn't just about the money for Zuckerberg. It was about the impact he was making. It was about the change he was driving. The money was a byproduct of his creativity, his innovation, his vision. Zuckerberg's journey to his first million is a testament to the power of creation. It's proof that you don't need to follow the traditional paths to success. You can pave your own way. You can create something that changes the world. And that's exactly what Zuckerberg did. He created, he innovated, he changed the world. And in the process, he earned his first million. Not through investment or invention, but through the power of creation. Zuckerberg's creativity and understanding of the digital world catapulted him to his first million. So, what can we learn from these three billionaires and their journey to their first million? Well, let's start by taking a look at Elon Musk. Musk's approach to wealth creation was steeped in innovation and risk-taking. He didn't shy away from investing in ambitious projects that others deemed impossible. His journey teaches us that sometimes achieving extraordinary success means venturing into uncharted territory and embracing the unknown. Musk's story is a testament to the power of innovation, of pushing boundaries, and of daring to dream big. Next, we have Warren Buffett. Buffett's route to his first million was paved with strategic investing and patience. He didn't rush into decisions. Instead, he studied the market, understood the trends, and made informed decisions based on his observations. Buffett's strategy shows us that sometimes slow and steady does win the race. His success story is a reminder that careful planning, strategic decision-making, and patience can yield significant results. Lastly, let's consider Mark Zuckerberg. His journey to his first million was driven by creativity and a profound understanding of the digital world. Zuckerberg saw the potential of the internet long before many others did. His story teaches us that in the ever-evolving digital age, staying ahead of the curve and understanding the power of technology can lead to immense success. Zuckerberg's journey is a testament to the power of creativity, of harnessing technology, and of understanding the digital landscape. Each of these billionaires has a unique journey, but they all share a common thread. They were driven by passion, they were not afraid to take risks, and they were committed to their vision. They understood the power of hard work, persistence, and resilience. Remember, every millionaire and billionaire started with their first dollar, then their first 100, and then their first million. Your journey towards your first million starts today. Let their stories inspire you, and remember, the path to success is often paved with challenges, but with determination, patience, and a clear vision, you too can achieve your goals.